In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome. If you've ever encountered the frustration of Grammarly not providing its helpful writing suggestions while you're using Chrome, don't worry, you're not alone, and this guide will help you resolve the issue. Start by navigating to the website where you've noticed Grammarly isn't working. This could be any site where you usually see Grammarly's suggestions popping up but aren't anymore. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome toolbar. You might see a puzzle piece icon there, or perhaps a green Grammarly logo, depending on your Chrome setup and extensions. Clicking on this icon will allow you to access your extensions. Next, you'll need to check the primary toggle switch for Grammarly. Here, you're looking for the option that says Check for Writing Suggestions On, followed by the website name. Sometimes, this toggle might be accidentally turned off, which could be the reason Grammarly isn't functioning as expected. If it is indeed turned off, simply flip it back on. After you've done this, make sure to refresh the web page you're working on. Often, a simple refresh is all it takes to reactivate Grammarly's suggestions. If the issue persists, it's time to do a little bit of browser housekeeping. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete simultaneously if you're using Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete if you're on a Mac. This shortcut will bring up a menu to clear your browsing data. In this menu, focus on the time range setting. You can set this to either the last 24 hours or the last 7 days, depending on when you last experienced the issue. This option is crucial because it ensures you're targeting the most recent data that might be causing the problem. Now, you'll see several options for clearing data. You want to make sure to check the box next to cached images and files. This is the data that stores images and other files from websites, which might be interfering with Grammarly's functionality. If you want to keep your browsing history and remain logged in to your current accounts, you can uncheck the boxes next to browsing history and cookies. This way, you won't have to log back into any websites you're currently using. After you've selected the appropriate options, go ahead and click Clear Data. This step might take a moment, but it's well worth it for ensuring all potential issues are cleared out. Once the data is cleared, restart Chrome to make sure all changes take effect. After restarting, revisit the website where you initially encountered the issue and try typing again. With any luck, Grammarly will now be back to providing its helpful writing suggestions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with Grammarly not working in Chrome. Remember, keeping your browser data clean and checking your extension settings regularly can prevent these issues from cropping up again in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.